Today, we present an innovative approach to online connectivity, the use of HTTP Custom VPN config files, a sophisticated solution that allows for enhanced internet browsing at no risk to your data and privacy. Welcome to our guide on how to use HTTP custom config files for an improved internet browsing experience. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to utilize custom configurations for a seamless and private internet connection, just like popular VPNs like NordVPN and Surfshark VPN. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Before we begin, HTTP Custom VPN, or AVPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, establishes a digital connection between your computer and a remote server owned by a VPN provider, creating a point-to-point tunnel that encrypts your personal data, masks your IP address, and lets you sidestep website blocks and firewalls on the internet. Now let's understand what HTTP custom config files are. These files contain specific settings that can be customized to optimize your internet connection. By using these configurations, you can enhance your browsing speed, privacy, and overall online experience. As we transition to the practical demonstration, allow me to showcase the operational efficiency of the HTTP Custom VPN. Initially, we encountered challenges with internet connectivity, hindering a basic Google search. Subsequent attempts confirmed persistent issues, leaving us with a no internet connection status. Following the importation of the configuration file and the click of the Connect button, the VPN promptly establishes a secure connection. A confirmation of connected is displayed. Let's revisit the Google search. Behold, the search results displays, signifying the successful restoration of internet access. Taking our demonstration a step further, let's navigate to another online platform, YouTube. The page loads seamlessly, meaning the HTTP Custom VPN is reliable. This assures you can seamlessly watch YouTube videos, eliminating concerns about network connectivity issues. Now that you've experienced firsthand the transformative ability, let's get straight to the step-by-step guide. We begin with the installation process. First, go to the Google Play Store and in the search bar type HTTP Custom VPN. Press Install to install the app. Once installed, open any browser and search for Tech Tutorials Hub VPN. Select the option in the video. You may find the post on the home page. Otherwise, click the search icon and search for this query. Now read the instructions and scroll to the button of the page. You can find multiple download options. Click on any to download. Once downloaded, head back to the HTTP Custom VPN and import the file. If password is requested, head back to Tech Tutorials Hub and check for an updated password. Now, simply type in the password and file is successfully imported. Like and subscribe below if you would like to know how to create your own config files in the next video. This file works for all countries and network providers. Now all you have to do is click on Connect and wait. Congratulations. Enjoy your seamless internet without any connection issues. One last demonstration, but before that, do me a quick favor. I've got a quick mission for you. If you're ready for some mind-blowing tips, show some love by demolishing that like button below. Let's see if we can break the like counter together. Now let's explore what happens when you disconnect from the VPN. Disconnecting means losing your internet connectivity through the VPN. This occurs because you switch from the VPN to your default network, which, as we previously experienced, was already grappling with internet connectivity. In case you decide to reconnect, you'll swiftly regain seamless internet access provided by the VPN. However, if you opt to disconnect, it's a different story. As you can observe, even after refreshing multiple times, no internet. A quick disclaimer. Everything discussed in this video, including the VPN, is entirely free. However, it's crucial to note that you are personally responsible for the use of this information. This video is intended purely for educational and informative purposes, and that is how you can use HTTP Custom VPN and config files. Like and subscribe below if you would like to know how to create your own config files in the next video.